Get ready, because we are counting down my top 5 favorite holiday recipes. Hello, my dears, and happy holidays! I know this is the time of year that many of us will be preparing all sorts of wonderful baked goods to celebrate and share with friends and family. I have shared many fun and delicious holiday bakes over the past couple years, and I thought it would be great fun to feature what I consider to be my top 5 favorite holiday bakes and what makes them so special and delicious. So without further ado, let's get started! Coming in at number 5 on the list is my maple spice cookies. These absolutely delightful cookies combine the delicious flavor of real maple syrup with cinnamon and nutmeg into a soft and chewy cookie. The secret ingredient that makes these cookies really pop is the addition of brown butter. It adds a rich, nutty flavor to the cookies and really helps bring out the rest of the flavors. While not mentioned in my original video, if you want an extra boost of nutty flavor and a bit of texture to your cookie, adding some chopped pecans or walnuts into your mix is an excellent choice as well. At number 4, we have my gingerbread muffins. Now personally, gingerbread is my absolute favorite holiday flavor, and these muffins do not disappoint. They are packed with ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and molasses, all topped with a delicious and crumbly pecan streusel. The texture of the muffins is wonderfully tender as well. These treats are sure to delight, and they are so quick and easy to make. Next up is number 3, my cinnamon roll cookies. If you love the flavor of cinnamon rolls, but would rather skip the trouble of working with a yeasted dough, then these cookies might be for you. They start out with a simple sugar cookie dough, and much like a traditional cinnamon roll, you will spread out the dough flat, coat with butter and cinnamon sugar, and then roll up and slice into cookies that have a simply gorgeous swirl. These cookies just look so impressive, and the flavor is absolutely phenomenal. A must-try for sure. For number 2, we have my personal take on Butterscotch Cinnamon Pie. Now this pie might be most well known from a certain popular video game, but it also makes such a perfect holiday pie. My version starts with an incredible Biscoff cookie crust, filled with a smooth and creamy butterscotch and cinnamon custard, and topped with whipped cream and a dusting of cinnamon. Now this is quite possibly one of my most popular and recreated recipes from viewers, and the reviews have all been wonderfully positive. It has been a hit at my own holiday gatherings as well, and is quite often requested. And now, at the number 1 spot of my favorite holiday bakes, we have my maple ginger mini cheesecakes. Not only do these delightful little cheesecakes look so impressive, the combination of flavors melds so incredibly well together. At the risk of bragging a bit, this is probably the recipe I am most proud of creating and was so excited to be able to share. It starts with a crushed ginger snaps base, a perfectly smooth maple cheesecake filling, a dollop of whipped cream, and to top it all off, the most amazing homemade maple spiced caramel sauce. The size is absolutely perfect for sharing at parties and gatherings, and I can almost guarantee that everyone will be raving about these tasty little treats. A true holiday delight. I hope you enjoyed following along as I shared some of my favorite holiday treats. The full recipes for each one can be found linked in the description below. Tell me in the comments what your favorite holiday bake is, whether it's one I have shared on the show already or a personal favorite of yours. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank each and every one of you that has been following along on my baking adventures. I am so incredibly honored and grateful to be able to create and share my content with each of you, and I couldn't have gotten this far without your support. So much love to all of you. Until next time, mwah!
You're perfect, you're perfect, we're perfect together. Dancing through fire, gingerbread tonight. Those are the moments that I know.